In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode in Discord and copy a user, server, or channel ID on desktop and web. If you're using the Discord desktop app or Discord in a web browser, the process is quick and easy once you know where to look. We'll begin in the bottom left corner of the Discord window, right next to your username. Click the gear icon to open User Settings. This is where Discord keeps most of your account and app preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down toward the lower part of the menu until you find either Advanced or Developer, depending on the version of Discord you're using. In that section, look for the Developer Mode option. Turn the toggle on so it's in the enabled position. This setting unlocks extra options in Discord's menus, including the ability to copy IDs. If you don't enable Developer Mode first, those copy options usually won't appear. After that, you can close out of Settings and return to the main Discord screen. Now find the specific thing you want the ID for. This could be a user, a server, or a channel. Once you've found it, right-click directly on the item. For a user, that might be their name or avatar. For a text channel, right-click the channel name. For a server, right-click the server icon on the left side. A context menu will open. Scroll to the very bottom, and you should see the option to copy the ID you need, such as copy user ID, copy server ID, or copy channel ID. Click that option, and the ID will be copied to your clipboard automatically. At that point, you can paste it wherever you need it. Just make sure you're selecting the correct user, server, or channel before copying, especially if you're working in a busy Discord workspace.